Hi class, this is the best practice video for the group and team module. You see here was our individual post, and um, what I'm going to do here, this is Brandon from the Dream Team. Nice job, Brandon. You can see here how he's um, answered his behavioral interview question, followed the STAR process. And then he gets into the challenges, and he's clearly marked everything with diet. And he identified Tuckman's model as his important concept, and then ended with a conclusion. Also, from Team Falcons, this is Tori. Nice job, Tori. Same thing, you can see she followed the STAR process well, and then used diet to take on the challenges, and did an important term, concept, and conclusion. So those are best practices from individuals. Um, for team summaries, um, I've got the Gold Diggers um, did a nice job here. They're actually doing a summary of themes, which I like that. They use diet and then summarize themes from the episodes, and they discuss important terms and concepts, and uh, and then they like STAR and diet in conclusion. And the other one is best practices, the Dream Team, and same thing. Matter of fact, they use STAR in doing their themes. And notice how their theme statements, we were faced with tasks of getting people to work together. Of course, that was a common theme in their challenges. And they had common actions. All of our results were positive outcomes. And then they did a summary on the challenge. They used diet in describing that. And then, and it's clearly marked. They got into an important term and concept. They liked STAR and diet, including Tuckman's model and the difference between a group and a team. And then they had a nice reflections in their conclusion. So a nice job to Dream Team and Gold Diggers for team summaries.